Your device allows you to read near-field communication and NFC tags that contain information about products. You can also use this feature to make payments. Slide your finger downwards starting from the top right side of the screen. If you don't find the NFC icon, tap on the pencil. Then tap Edit. I'll find the NFC icon at the bottom window. Click on it. The icon will move to the top window. Press Done to save the changes. Now, from the Quick panel, you can enable or disable by tapping the NFC icon. I recommend that you only activate NFC when you need it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.